What's guys, my name is Stefan and we're back to 12 Days of Chelliko. Today is day 8, the second day of this year. So in today's video I'm bringing back the language challenge. So the language challenge was my first video for 12 Days of Chelliko, and I have 30 words in Macedonian that I'm going to try and translate to English. So I'm alone, I had a friend write them down. Here you'll have the Macedonian part and here you'll have the English translation. So the first word is morkov, and that is a carrot. Second word is remegdelo, which I'm pretty sure it means masterpiece. Third word, marmalade, and I'm pretty sure in English it means marmalade or perhaps jam. The fourth word is something I hate. It's sardina or sardines. The fifth word is zemiodelets, which I'm pretty sure it means farmer, but I'm not sure. Sixth word is stranstvo, which can be translated to abroad. The seventh word is shah. So shah is chess basically. The eighth word is pesochen chasovnik, which if I translate the words it will mean sand clock or an hourglass. The ninth word is, I'm pretty sure an English word, it's printer or printer. The 10th word is muvla, which I think means moss. The 11th word is moreplovets, which is a person who goes out to sea, and seaman, or I don't actually know this word. The 12th word is nakit or jewelry. The 13th word ramka za slika, or behind me a picture frame. The 14th word is istražuvanje, which it translates to research. The 15th word is papuchi. So papuchi are slippers. Now the 16th word, I'm pretty sure this is her favorite word, arakia, basically the most Balkan drink you could have, and it's brandy, or as we say in German, schnapps. Now the 17th word, novogodišnja elka, or a Christmas tree. The 18th word is krema, or cream or lotion. The 19th word, I don't even know what this means in Macedonian, rimel. I'm pretty sure it's a part of makeup, and the only makeup I know is highlighter, because it's like the same in English and Macedonian, so I have no idea what rimel means. The 20th word, vodeni boy, or watercolors. The 21st word, đubre, or trash, rubbish. The 22nd word, ognishte, which could mean fire, behind me, or a fireplace. The 23rd word is zvončina, or bells. The 24th word, zagrozeni vidovi, or endangered species, whatever you say. The 25th word is morska zvezda, or a sea star. The 26th word is volshebnik, which I'm pretty sure it means a warlock, actually magician, I think. The 27th word, elastic, or elastic, I don't know. The 28th word, labello, or chopstick, or was it lipstick? The colored one is lipstick, and the non-colored one is chopstick, I think. The 29th word is techan sapun, or we have an inside joke because I used to have a liquid soap container which said liquid soup. The 30th word, oh, that was a priest. So those are the 30 words. This is how many I've guessed right, this is how many I've guessed wrong. So if you enjoyed this video, guys, don't forget to leave a like and also share it with friends. My name is Stefan, and I'll see you all later. Bye, stay strong.